And good afternoon from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm student meteorologist Ryan Breton. We do have some active weather that's ahead here in the next 24 hours as a storm system going to be moving in here to Pennsylvania, bringing some significant rainfall to much of the state during the day tomorrow. We're talking about rainfall on the order of a couple of inches in many spots, along with a risk of some severe thunderstorms as well during the day tomorrow. But behind this frontal system, some cooler, more fall-like air does move into the region for much of the rest of the week. But out there outside this afternoon, it really is a nice afternoon. Scattered clouds, temperatures in the lower 70s, just a classic September day out there. And around the state, again, temperatures mainly in the 70s, ranging from as low as 70 in Bradford and Franklin to as high as 77 in Philadelphia this afternoon. So it really is just a nice afternoon out there. Now notice to the south, there is some cooler air down in here. This is actually rain-cooled air, and our Titan radar this afternoon can show us that here is a lot of this rain, and much of this going to be moving up and into Pennsylvania during the night tonight and into the day tomorrow. But as we speak at this time, it is a dry afternoon. We have had the clouds that have been increasing through the course of the afternoon. Notice them here continuing to thicken here in central Pennsylvania. Here is much of this rainfall, and in fact, we are watching two areas of precipitation that are really going to converge right over Pennsylvania. We have this area of low pressure coming in off the Gulf of Mexico, bringing Gulf of Mexico moisture along with it, and we do have this cold front to our north and west. On the other side of this is the cooler air, but along with it does come a few showers as well, and both of these going to move into Pennsylvania during the day tomorrow. And in fact, we can see on the temperature map cooler air on the north side of this. Minneapolis is at 62, and that's about 14 degrees cooler than it was at this time yesterday. And look at Denver, almost 25 degrees cooler than it was at this time yesterday. This chunk of cool air going to move into the region later in the week once this system passes. And on our eye on the sky, we can bring you through this by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Some light rain in the area, and the rain gets heavy, and we do have some thunderstorms that are likely to move through during the afternoon. By 5 o'clock, the risk of some thunderstorms does exist here in Centre County. Some of those storms may be significant with heavy rain, downpours, also the risk of some damaging wind. We'll have to watch those through the day tomorrow, but the good news is by Wednesday, all of this goes by the boards and we will have some increasing sunshine on that day. As far as the amount of rainfall that we're going to be dealing with, it could be quite significant, with much of the state at least receiving up to an inch of rain, and much of the eastern part of the state likely to receive 2, maybe even as high as 3 inches of rain from here in Centre County all the way northeast to Scranton and into parts of New York as well. And there is a potential for localized poor drainage and urban area flooding in the areas that receive up to 3 inches of rain, but thankfully no significant flooding is expected out of this system. With that in mind, my forecast for tonight: showers and storms develop with low temperatures near 60. During the day tomorrow, the expectation is for a continuation of those showers and storms. Again, some of those storms may be strong to severe with heavy rain, lightning, damaging winds. We'll have updates on those during the day tomorrow. But after that, we do clear it out for Wednesday. Thursday is looking nice, as is Friday. But as we head into the day on Saturday, I know here at Penn State we do have the game against Temple. We're going to have to watch for a risk of some showers on that day. But before that, it is looking like a really nice stretch of weather for the middle part of the week. That's your forecast for now. From the Campus Weather Service at Penn State, I'm student meteorologist Ryan Breton.